As you can see, there's 3 of us here waiting to unload. They're trying to find out where they're going to put us because it's pretty tight. So we dumped one right here. That's all that's fit. And then the rest of us, we're going down there to this other parking lot to dump over there. They're freaking out about their grass and their curbs and stuff.
I'm 70.
Still working, huh?
My oldest son is, I retired twice. My oldest son is 51.
You were in the military?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, those are the only people you hear that say I retired twice. Military people.
Well, I always worked a bunch of jobs too. I always had 2 or 3 jobs.
Gotcha.
I just quit. As a matter of fact, I worked here full time. I work in the heyday. I'm a tech mechanic on the boating lanes and all the building. And then I worked at assistant manager at Bojangles.
Okay.
So I was working 3 jobs.
Yeah.
I just quit a month ago. Quit a weekend job at Heyday and Bojangles. I just work out here.
Oh, okay.
But I make $30 an hour out here.
Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Sucker raining.
They don't look like much, but that's 20-something tons.
Yeah, it is 20-something tons.
And all this stuff weighs different, I guess, from dirt to this.
Yes, yes. Yeah, because we'll haul some stuff. It'll be a little bitty pile right in the middle, and it's just as heavy as this stuff.
Do y'all trucks haul more than his? That one over there, the one, the first one?
Probably. So my truck's pretty heavy, you know, as well as this one. So he probably hauls more than me. The other guy that just left.
The guy over there?
Yeah.
Now, y'all know each other, or you just met each other?
No, we just met each other. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Man, they got about 900 drivers. All right, there you have it. There's 2 loads right here. There's my load. There's that other driver's load. You can see the brake right there where I bumped up to his. So his is shorter, but he jacked his all the way up. And mine's a little bit longer. I didn't jack it all the way up because I thought I seen it leaning, so I didn't want to take it all the way up, tip it over. So I pulled forward slowly versus jacking it all the way up, which if you ever see it leaning, it depends on the product. You can jack it up, when in doubt, power out. So you're gonna jack it up and it's gonna slide out and it's gonna straighten out. You can do that, but why take the chance? So I'd rather go 3/4 of the way and pull forward and just have a longer pull versus take the chance. So, but this product, you can do that, you know, power out of it and it'll straighten out, but I ain't no rush. So today's Friday, I'm done. Well, I just got off the phone with dispatcher. Next week, he's putting me back on the Streetman to Port Arthur load, which is good. So today's Friday, I'm here at DFW Airport. Made it home last night to get some rest. Came back, delivered this. So now I'm gonna head back down to Streetman, Texas and load that lightweight and take that back home, and then Monday shoot down to Port Arthur and deliver it. But that's it, let me get out the way. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you guys can, it's been brought to my attention, there's been a lot of you guys who have found out about Oakley because of me and didn't reach out, so I didn't get any credit for the referral. So if you guys can, if you all are interested in working at Oakley, reach out to me, send me your phone number at cruzmadronotrucking@gmail.com. I have to turn in your phone number. That's the only way I'll get credit. So I much appreciate it. If y'all have any questions, I'll remain 100% transparent with you and tell you the truth. You know, if any questions you want to ask and compare them to what the recruiter tells you. But email me your phone number. I have to turn it in. cruzmadronotrucking@gmail.com. We'll go for there. But like I said, thanks for y'all for tuning in. I'll catch y'all on the next one. morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday here. I don't know what the date is. Well, as you can see, I've got some technical difficulties from this week. Some of y'all spotted it in one of the shorts I posted already. Don't feel like working on a Sunday, but you got to. So here's the damage. Bent that spring in there, and I guess I ran over it, pancaked it. And typically it just rips the mud flap off, leaves the arm, but one strong mud flap ripped it up there. So I don't know if I'll be able to save it. I was gonna cut it, but anyway, so I got a new reflective tape here. Then I've got new arms. They don't sell them in singles, you gotta buy the pair. There we go. So there's my brackets for my fenders, but those ain't going on today. So I was going to drop my trailer, and I was gonna bobtail to my parents or my house and tackle this over there so that I could hand wash the truck while I was at it. But when I got home Friday night at midnight, set me through the roof, somebody stole my freaking boards. So I have some big old railroad tie boards that I place underneath my landing gear so it doesn't sink. Obviously, if you guys don't know, it'll sink if you're not on concrete, because I'm loaded. Someone stole my boards. So I came yesterday morning on Saturday. I drove this whole lot because I know they're here. I know it's somebody that parks here. But I don't know, some of you truck drivers, I mean, just because you're in an open lot, I mean, it don't mean you got free range to help yourself to whatever you want to somebody else's parking spot. So I mean, there's boards all over the place. You know, this is this guy's boards. I'm not gonna touch them. This is this guy's boards. You know, I'm not gonna touch them. You know, and I keep mine over here stacked all by themselves. So that really set me through the roof. So because of that, I can't drop the trailer. So now I'm gonna be crawling underneath this thing trying to work on it. So I just thought I'd share that with y'all. That's one of the negatives about having to park in a paid lot, or you know, they got free access to your stuff. So keep that in mind. If you buy a truck, this is something that comes with the territory. So I cleaned the area off. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to see. I was curious to see if that was from it riding on there or it was from me ripping it off. So that stuff is from it riding and sitting. I think that one too. This one is probably from me ripping it off, but I'll see when I take the other side off, just so I know. Kind of sucks, but I mean, this one's gonna cover it. So the new one looks like this. Looks just like the old one. I think it's a different brand. This is United Pacific. Springs inside. And then you got this plate on there. That's your safety plate. That's going to be the last step. Should be red like that. Comes with new hardware. Use your new hardware, not your old stuff. That's it. That's how you do it. There ain't nothing to it. Little plates holding the spring in. Take it out. And, oh. There we go. Now it's flush. I got this whole muff flap off. Got the weight off of it. And I got my old ones still. I didn't throw them away. Good thing. Don't throw your stuff away. So I'm gonna put these rubber ones the same length as these ones were. So I've got plenty to work with. So I'm probably gonna run this one up to cut it right there. And then I'll cut off that one where the holes for the weights were. Slap them on. And there we have it, finished product. Both of them on there. Didn't record this side because you don't need to see the same thing twice, but that's it. Oh, gotta tighten that one. Appreciate y'all tuning in and following the channel. Also, it's been brought to my attention there's a lot of people that have found out about Oakley from me and I didn't get the credit for it. So if you guys could, if y'all are interested in working for Oakley or just any information at all, email me at cruzmadronotrucking@gmail.com. Email me your phone number and I'll respond to you. I'll text you or call you, whatever you want, and give you all the information you want. But the only way I can get credit from Oakley is if I turn in your phone number through the portal. So if you guys don't mind, reach out to me that way before you even contact Oakley or any other driver at that. Let me submit your phone number to Oakley and I'll be as transparent and 100% accurate as possible for you to give you any information you want about working at Oakley. But I appreciate it, guys. I'll check y'all on the next one.